Hello Action Cam friends. Today we're going to be doing a true unboxing, and we'll just have to see what's in the box, and then we can show it off and go from there. Okay, so it looks like today we have stuff from SJCAM. So it looks like a mic, and it looks like it's for the SJ8, 9, and 10. We have the C100 Plus, which is the upgraded version of this model, the C100. And let's see, we have a waterproof case for the SJ10. Oh wow, and we have a remote control, hopefully for the SJ10. Cool, so I wasn't expecting to get this. We'll see if this works with the SJ10 unit that I have. We do have the A20, but this is like the prototype unit, so this will not support the Bluetooth remote, but the latest version will support the remote. So we'll try it out anyways. Okay, wow. Okay, so let's start with. Okay, yeah. So for these two, like, we don't really need to open them, but maybe we will. Let's see. Okay, so this has the Type C, and we'll just plug that into the SJ10 that we have here. Okay, so it's like the palm mic, so it has a nice clip there. Okay, so we'll do some audio tests with this, and then upload it to our channel. Okay, so we have that. Waterproof case. So the SJ10, it's waterproof up to 10 meters on its own. So with this, you can go down to 30 meters. So this basically gives you an extra 20 meters that you can dive. So the SJ10, it's kind of a cool model. Like all the previous models, with the exception to the SJ9, required a waterproof case. So with this accessory, you can go down, 30 meters or whatever. So it's nice. Let's check out the clasp on this. Okay, and we'll take this out and maybe put this down in the river and see what we can find. So again, stay tuned to our channel, like, subscribe. Okay, so we have that. See if there's any specs on the back of the box. No specs, but okay. So we got to the remote. Open that up just to. So this is kind of cool. It has a watch band as well, and a pretty standard remote. So we'll try to pair this with the A20 and the SJ10 shortly, and then let's check out that C100 now. Okay, so the packaging looks about the same. Looks upgraded though. Like you can see here on the C100, they actually list out the accessories that come with it. Whereas, before on the C100 they put it on the back. So pretty much this is more polished version. So let's actually open this. Okay, this amazed me. Like every time I open the box, it just looks so miniature. So hence the nickname Thumbcam. Let me get the mouse that I have here. If you know how everybody knows how large a mouse is. So basically, you could probably fit 3 mouses you know, and it still would be smaller than, or sorry, 3 C100s, and it'll still be smaller than the mouse. Okay, so this comes with a 30-meter waterproof case. And so pretty much, you know, the C100 and the C100 Plus, the only difference is that the C100 Plus, it shoots 2K. So nice tight fit there. Okay, it looks like another difference is that they actually screen printed C100 Plus on the back of the unit. Okay, so we'll definitely be taking this C100 Plus out to shoot some video. And now, and I think it's pretty cool that, you know, now, like, because like without this C100 Plus printed on the back, I wouldn't have known which model is which model. So this is a great way just to like differentiate. Oh, this is a C100 Plus. I'll be taking this one out. And let me just show you the box real quick, and then we can get ready for the in-depth review. Okay. So C100 Plus camera. So 2K. And again, it has a 30-meter waterproof case housing. And let's just compare the two. Okay, magnetic body. So this does have a magnetic body, so you can basically, like, you can put it on your refrigerator if it's metal or something like that. So this supports 2K at 30 frames per second, whereas the C100 Plus only supports 1080p at 30 frames per second. And it looks like the rest, okay, 3-hour runtime, whereas the C100 maybe has a longer runtime because, you know, it's not recorded at 2K. And live streaming, so they pretty much both support the same things. H25, H265. Okay, and so the accessories, we've actually done an unboxing for the C100. You can check that out on our channel. So pretty much everything that came with the C100 comes with this. So this is the case that we actually, the mount case, the clip mount, this one, frame mount for the bike, and this, like, you know, like USB cable mounts. So pretty standard stuff. You can check out the unboxing review. Alright guys, this was pretty exciting. I'm still seeing if I can get a SJ gimbal, SJ Gimbal 2 for this SJ10, because I really wanted to take 4K 60 frames per second video, and with the gimbal we could actually take stabilized footage. So I'll put in another request to SJCAM and see if we can get that sent out. So again, we'll be uploading footage of the C100 Plus, and I'm really looking forward to that. Both of these models actually do have a new firmware upgrade as well, so you can check out the blog. We'll put a link to our blog inside of the description. So if you wanted to see us shoot certain footage or test audio for a certain model, just let us know. Here are the units that we have in stock now. We may actually try to get an SJ8 as well, so just let us know what you want us to shoot, the settings, and we'll try to make it happen. Okay guys, well, thanks for watching our true unboxing. Like our video, subscribe, and we'll be right back with some video footage. Thanks for watching.